Hi and welcome again. Let's expand our knowledge of array information. Open up your idle program. And I think I've already got one open. Hang on, I'll just quit that. There we go. And create a new file and make an array of stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to call it my stuff. And in there, put anything you want. Try not to make it ordered because we're going to do some things with that. Let's say you can make it backwards if you want. All right, so there's the array of stuff. It's just a bunch of numbers. Now, first challenge. Get the third object in this array. How would you do that? Okay, so what you do is, I'm going to give it a name. And then you do my stuff. And then you go dot index 3. Now, that's not correct actually. To get the third object, now when you count things in an array, it's 0, 1, 2. So actually we want the second thing. And let's print that. Put that on the new line and run your project. Expand array knowledge. There we go. And there we go. Now let's check it. Is 5 the third object? Yes. Awesome. All right. Next one. I want you to, your challenge is insert an object into the first position of this array, which is here. How would you do that? I'm going to call it insert. This one's get by index. Okay, so how would you insert? It's quite simple, really. I'm using the terminology that you will use. So my stuff insert, and then the first object's 0, and then I'm going to put hello. All right. Now the only thing is, with this array, I'm mixing stuff now. So yeah, let's try it. So that can be a bit of a programming. You shouldn't do it, but I'll show you how to work around it if you've got a mixed array of information. So there we go. Hello has been inserted at the first position. I hope you got that. What's next? I want you to remove the last object. How would you do that? Okay, so remove last. There's a couple of ways you could do it. If you know how much is in the array, you can use a thing called length. So we can go last index equals length of my stuff minus 1. Because remember, it's going to count, that sort of counts how many, well, actually, let's test that. But I'm pretty sure it counts every object, and it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But that's not the last object. When you're using indexes, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to count like a programmer. Everything starts at 0. Yep, so there's 8 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's counting 8. How's that? Oh, okay. And hello. Okay. Here we go. So there's 8 things. So to get the last index, we have to minus 1 from this. And that gives us the last index. Okay. And then we're going to remove it from there. So my stuff dot. And then, yep, same sort of terminology. Remove. And we're going to use last index. There we go. And then we'll print it again. So I'm just going to grab this one. just get rid of that. I guess we could leave it there just so we can see the difference. There we go. So we've removed the last object. So 7's been removed. That's actually removed the second object, doesn't it? Let's have a look. Now if -1 to it, maybe that's done something to it. Let's change the amount somehow. Last index is 7. Okay, now remove is not removing the index of the object. It's removing the actual value. So it's found 7 and removed it. So to actually remove the last object, you would probably do something like this. Let's see. Let's go remove that value. So what we have to do is do this. Okay, so what this is doing, this is actually getting that value and it's going to remove it for us. So let's run that. So what we should get is 1 is gone. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, back on track. All right, what's next? Now just say you wanted to sort this array. Let's try it. There's actually something built into Python that allows you to do this. And all you have to do is type mystuff.sort, but we're gonna get an error. I mentioned it before and we'll print that again. So this should like organize it like from 1 to 7 sort of thing. But remember, we've got a string in there too. So here we are, we're gonna get this error, cannot use less than to sort through int and string. Okay, so we can't do that. So here's one way that I would do that. Now, if you can find another way, go for it. Awesome. So what I'm going to do, pause now if you want to have a go. If not, I'm just going to remove anything that's not like I'm going to remove all the strings. Okay, so how would we do that? A hint is use type. Okay, so for I in my stuff. Okay, so I'm going to do a loop, and then to find what the type value is, I'm going to say if the type of I is equal to str, that's all you have to do, then my stuff dot remove I, because it's going to be the thing that's a string, and then we'll print it. Okay, so let's have a look what happens when I do that. Put that down here and run. And oh, whoops, I've got to get rid of that error, which is sorting. So get rid of that and run it again. And it's still, oh, I spelled it wrong too. Okay, so what you do is fix your typos. There we go. It's gone purple now. That's good. Give it a go again. And there we go. Hello's gone. And now we can sort it. So now that that's done, let's do that. Let's sort it. So my stuff dot sort. And I run that again. And now it's in order. Awesome. So that's how to use sort. Now, last challenge. Your challenge is to try and get the first 3 values of this array and then try and get the middle 2. How would you do that? All right, so how would you do that? Okay, so to do it, we can simply do it like this. My stuff. This is going to get the first 3 values. like that. So that means from the beginning of the array up to the 0, 1, 2, which is the third thing. Okay, and we can assign it to a like a slice. Call it a slice. Actually, don't call it slice. Bad idea, because that's part of the Python language. Part of my stuff. There we go. All right, I'm going to print that, and here we go. And there we go. So we've got so that just gets the first two. I thought it worked like an index sort of thing. So it actually just gets the first two objects. So 1, 2. If we want to get the third and fourth object, I guess let's try it. Third and fourth, and run that. And okay. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. Okay, so it's just getting that one. That's 3, 4. Might want to play around with that one a bit. Let's try 3 and 5. Let's see what that gets. All right, so that's got 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's not getting 5. Okay, so it's sort of acting like if it's higher than or equal to just less than 5 and greater than 3. So that's how that one works. So that one before, it's doing the first two because it's going 0, 1, but not 2. So let's run that again. You might want to make some little notes about how this stuff works. Yep, so it's just not getting the third thing, which is also the second index. Okay, so to understand that, 0, 1, 2. So if we want to get this one, 2 and less than 4 will get us the two middle ones. That was the challenge. So 2 and 4. And run that. And there we go. We've got our two middle digits. Okay, so I want to put a little note there. Get rid of that and that. So this will get indexes 0, 1, but not 2. It will only get up to less than the second index. And there we go. So there's quite a few challenges there. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Bye.